Hey guys, we just arrived here in Cape Town, South Africa. We're doing a 7-day tour all the way down the Garn route, ending off in Jeffreys Bay. It's absolutely amazing. The weather is fantastic. We got a super nice house here and we're about to go on a nice heli tour around the whole of Cape Town. It's gonna be an absolutely amazing week.
Insane, I'm speechless, can't believe it. Wake up in the morning, you get to see a surf spot.
Training facility in Cape Town, Ori Craft, and he's going to take us on a crazy ride through Cape Town.
I've been told to make it extremely fun, like don't worry about seeing the sights, let's just have lots of fun.
Yeah.
And go upside down.
Yeah. And it's like,